Ronnie Green here, and we're at ICAST 2021, and of course, I'm at Lithium Battery Powers. My lithium batteries are fantastic, and then there's a lot of new things coming. Of course, you're always looking for new things when you come to ICAST. You don't want to ever see the same old, and of course, lithium's no different. They have the 36120 versus the 3660. Tell me a little bit about that, Will.
The difference is with the 3660, you can get up to 60 amp hours, obviously, but when you want to pack your punch, you've got the new product showcase here, 36 volt, 120 amp hour. And the difference is that is just more runtime on your fishing, or whether you guys just want to get past the spot walk, you got more oomph on that. Also, you know, instead of running a single day tournament, you can run a 2-day tournament without having to charge and knowing that you have power behind it. And when it comes to charging, you guys can also overnight charge on the last day of fishing. And it's a great product, 10-year warranty, and we're here for you if you have any questions and make you feel comfortable with the transition from AGM lead acid to a lithium.
That's right. If you want to eliminate the weight in your boat, you might want to come by this booth, Lithium Battery Power. They're here at ICAST.